Look at the steam comes out. Welcome to FUEL Healthy Test Kitchen. Today we're going to make a low-carb, keto-friendly breakfast eggs and cheese sandwich. Before we start, hit that subscribe button, follow us, and get more healthy cooking tips. So today we actually going to need cauliflower. We're going to show you how to mix cauliflower flour. We have some almond milk here. We have some mozzarella cheese. This is about 40 grams to 50 grams of cheese that we have here. This is chives. We have some pepper. We have some yellow pepper here. This pepper actually doesn't matter. It would be red pepper, green pepper. It's just a little bit of pepper to give it a little bit more texture. I have 2 eggs here. We're going to use that. And then we have some MCT oil. We have some Himalayan sea salt and some white pepper. If you have not watched the video about our keto mayo, watch that video, click that link. We have made some keto mayo, so we're going to use that and put that all together today. Equipments. I have a food processor here. I love using Belgian waffles to cook. Look at the steam comes out. So let's get started. So first step, we're going to turn cauliflower into cauliflower flour. We're actually going to ahead and use a food processor and cut them up. You don't have to cut them up too finely, but I tell you, if you cut it up small enough, you will really help the food processor get them in really fine shape. And I will show you a way to keep this in your fridge, and it will keep much longer as well. Sometimes, especially if you're cooking for 1 person or 2 people, you don't need as much like the whole cauliflower, but what are you gonna do? So store it in your fridge so you can quickly make cauliflower rice, and we'll make another video. One of the tricks of using this food processor to make cauliflower flour is that you don't really want it to spin in high speed for too long, because it will actually heat up the cauliflower, so just pulse. You let it drop. So I have a silicone spatula here. Once you open it up, you can see it really finely chopped all your cauliflower. Okay? This recipe calls for 1 cup. So what we're gonna do, we're actually gonna have a big glass container. And here's one food prep tip that really is gonna be helpful for everybody. Take a piece of paper towel, or if you want, you can actually use cheesecloth. It will do the same thing. Stuck on, and now you have cauliflower flour that you can use probably for a week. So put it back in the fridge. I have a cup of them ready to go on here. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, now that you got your cauliflower flour ready, we are actually gonna make the bread. Sometimes called keto bread. I actually think of it almost like a cross between a savory waffle, and it makes a really great bread layer for the sandwich. So what you need is 1 cup of cauliflower flour, which I just showed you how to make. So this is my heritage comes back. I know a lot of people will use a whisk. And guess what? I love my chopsticks. This is almond flour, or almond milk, some people call it. Got some chives here, just to give it some color, a little bit of flavor. Okay? Next job is MCT oil here. So it will help put all the ingredients together. Just a little bit of that. I also have white pepper. So it's about 1/8 teaspoon of white pepper here, okay? So notice one thing I didn't put is actually salt. So don't put salt into this mixture. A lot of people actually use salt at this juncture. Salt it after, because right now you don't want the liquid, you don't want the water to be seeped out of your bread. It will actually make your bread soggy. Right now, just make sure to keep your salt off. So the last but not least, an egg. Voila. So all you need to do next is to stir. It stirs very much like a paste. And this is going to be your cauliflower batter for the bread. So I have preheated my waffle iron and actually spray some oil in it. What I do is that I really put some healthy oil in here. It can be any high heat resistant ones. Spray on the top and the bottom. So next, put it in onto griddle. Really carefully, because it is a hot griddle. Just put them into this, like you're filling it. all the nuts and crannies are pulled. Kind of amazing. Okay. Doesn't have to be perfect, but there you go. So while this is cooking, what I'm gonna do is actually gonna make the egg batter. So egg, this is really easy. So what you need to do, crack an egg. So this one, I'm allowed to add a little salt. So like 1 twist of salt. Just ever a sprinkle of pepper. Half a teaspoon of MCT oil. Favorite things for a lot of you is cheese. So we have some mozzarella cheese. Put it in there. And then I have some pepper. Okay. When you beat it together, it'll be pretty amazing. Let's check on our keto bread. Still cooking, a little bit longer. Okay, let's check on this bread again. Okay, now you can see some browning going on right here. It looks really good. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put this eggs and cheese mixture into one of this square. Really carefully close it and give it another minute. Hey, let's see what it looks like. Use my spatula. Look at that. A little bit of bread going on here. Look at that. Apply some mayo onto this. Oh my goodness. The last piece of this. Look at that bread. So here we go. We have a keto-friendly, low-carb eggs and cheese sandwich. It has mayo inside. It's beautiful. Let's try this. Can't wait. My gosh. So good. I can taste the pepper. It really gives it a crunch. And the egg's so fluffy. You got to make this for yourself. So here's the nutrition facts for this recipe right here. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. We are gonna get a lot more of these healthy and easy to make recipes so we can put it in your repertoire. Also, if you have any ideas or any comments for a recipe we want us to make, put it in the comment box underneath, or email us at info@fuelplus.ca, or talk to us on Twitter and Instagram @fuelplus.
Do it in different ways.
Eat healthy, be happy.
This is gonna be your tagline.
Eat healthy, be happy.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, you're done. Okay.